Hey everybody, just from Justo show here behind the scenes with another, actually the bonus, uh, tips and tricks for efficiency in Moho. Now I've been waiting for this video. This video is gonna be amazing, right? So you're gonna learn some cool stuff here. So if you've seen the other two videos, um, you probably was looking at my toolbar like, what are those? These, my friend, are scripts. I highly recommend. Oh shoot, I can't think of the word. Embrace. Here we go. That's the word I was looking for. And embrace these scripts. Now, the good thing is your friend Justin here is going to show you how, where to get these scripts. So, first things first. Here's where you get these scripts. There's another couple places, but this is where I go. These are like where you get the good stuff, right? Um, and I'm sure you might have seen like some people use these type of things, some more advanced people. But mohoscripts.com, top tier place with top tier scripts, right? There's a bunch of stuff. Installing scripts is very easy. I'm gonna give you some stuff to download. So MR, just type in MR. You can download this one, this one. Oh, I love this one. This one right here is amazing. I love this one. The Twin Machine is good. I haven't really had much time to play with it yet. Curve tool is amazing. And transform rig tool. You need that one. Believe me, you need it. Let's see. Continue animations. If you want to do like 360 rigs and you need guides, this is a good one. I don't do 360 rigs, but it still comes in handy. Put that in your favorites bar and stuff. And look, here's the guys, right? So let's say like, oh, I want to do a rig. So you see that it just makes lines. You can just draw lines. Like I'm gonna put a line on the shoulder, put one right up under his chin, put one right under his pelvis, and then it has a guide layer somewhere. Oh wait, yeah, that's a guide layer. I thought that was my guide layer, cause yeah. But yeah, this is the guide layer. This and boom, look, it just stays right there. It makes those guides for you. And you tired of it, you can either put it in a folder in a group, and then or get rid of it. So how to install scripts? Well, I'm sure you have a custom folder somewhere. If you don't, you should set you a custom folder somewhere, which is let me open my custom content folder. You should open that folder, and then it should tell you, hey, this is, you either need to make one or it'll open up to it, right? So yeah, this is the custom content folder right here for Moho. So you can put, like, if you use the library, which I don't, cause it always crashes on me. So I just kind of do things manually. I have a whole folder, and I just kind of organize things for the way my liking or whatever. But yeah, and this is actually where my custom folder is. And so my downloaded scripts, these are all the things that I have downloaded. So once you download it, you'll get like a zip file, right? And I think I put this one on here like last night. And so in that zip folder, you'll have a resources folder, tool, and there's like two other ones. I can't remember the name of them. So once you do that and you want to go in and installing, you go to scripts, install script, and then it's gonna pop up. It's gonna say, hey, select the script folder. You select the script folder. Let me go to my download scripts, and it's not gonna show unless you unzip it. So once you unzip it, then that's when you'll see this folder. Once I install it, I delete it, because if I want to install something else, then I don't want to have to search for it, because I'm like, oh, which one did I remember? And then you got to do date modify and all that crap. So I just try to keep it organized and keep the zip folder. And so once you find the folder that you want to install, you click into the folder, right? Where you see script, tool, resources, and all the other folders. And then you will hit select folder. Now, I already have this one installed, so it's just going to say, oh, you want to overwrite it, blah, blah, blah. And I'll have to say yes and da-da-da-da. But I don't want to do that right now. So if you come to this and you just click on this folder and click select folder, you're not going to install it. But you have to actually click into it and select folder. And then it'll refresh, and then they'll be down here. Now for me, I wanted mine organized, and I'm going to show you how to organize this. To organize this, go to preferences, then you go to tool layout, and everything is going to be down here under this ungroup tools. Now what you'll want to do is you'll want to click and move everything up just at least above this, because it does take a while to get these in order, but I'm going to show you a faster way to do it. So once you get everything above this, you can start making groups. Like you can say, I want to create a group, make you a group name. Like my groups are that one's naming, right? I have a naming group, and then I have an animation group, and then I have a design group. So those are the 3 groups that I created. And then the other ones, you know, those are kind of like the bones and special field and all that drawing that comes with Moho. Then once you do that, open content folder, right? You want to open up the content folder, and it's going to pop open. And then next thing you want to do is go down to your scripts, and then you want to go to tool, and you want to scroll all the way down until you see this tool list, right? You want to open up the tool list. The tool list is just a text file, and then you're going to have everything that you just moved above that ungroup layer is going to be down here in this workspace. And you just want to take all the different tools and you want to move it, like just cut it. You know, you cut it and then you place it into the group that you want to put it in. So like my group naming right here, well, you might can get away with doing this too. Like you can probably just say group space, whatever it is, and then just group them up in there and do the same thing for the other groups. But once you finish that, you save it, you close the file, and then you'll come here, and then you'll push Control Shift Alt L, and then what that's gonna do is like reload everything. It's not gonna close it. It's gonna reload it, and then it's gonna refresh this, and then it's gonna be exactly where you have everything. So you'll have your groups and stuff like that. So that's going to be the end of this video because it's getting a little long. But I'm going to make another video to kind of go through the tools that I like, the scripts and tools that I like to kind of just display it a little bit. So see you in the next video.